Hello, party people. Hello, it's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. Hi. I am here with another haul from Beebeecraft. And I just want to jump on and quickly show you that I was trying to get some things together for like a project. And I was kind of mix and matching on the website, and I don't know if it's going to work out or not yet, but we shall see. So I have 5 items to show you, and these are all cabochons. So I have these guys. Now these cabochons, or well, the setting, I should say. This is a Tibetan silver. I got 10 pieces, and they were $6.69 for the 6 pieces. Or I'm sorry, for the 10 pieces. I'm sorry. 10 pieces. $6.69. So here was my idea. On the website, I also ordered these PandaHall Elite Amethyst Cabochons. Now these guys, you got 20 pieces. They said that they're 18 millimeters, which is supposed to be what fits inside of one of these. Haha! And they fit. Check that out. So that's great. That's what I wanted. I wanted them to be able to make a project. So that's cool. So these are genuine amethyst cabochons, and these for the 20 was $11.89. So I think that's really nice, especially, so I ordered 2 packs of these, so I will be able to set each one into one of these bezels. So here's the cool thing. What I like to do is take some paint, maybe do a whitewash. You could patina paint these, you can make them different, you know, that type of thing. So they're not all going to be the same, even though they will all have a genuine amethyst. So I thought that was really cool, and I thought that it might be a fun project because I have lots of cabochons rolling around. So also, while I was there, in addition to those 2 items, I picked up this bag of 200 glass cabochons with flower patterns. Now, I hope these are kind of funny because they're paper on one side and glass on the other, so they're like kind of funny. They're all kind of different. In the picture describing them, it didn't really give too much. That one's cute. It didn't really give too much detail. It just was like, oh, that one's purple. That's cute. But I'm very happy with them. Now, here's the question. These ones, for the 200 floral theme glass ovals, $14.99. So they're supposed to be 13 by 18 millimeters. So let's just grab one and see if they fit. This one looks like a lotus flower. Oh, and they fit. Look at that. I'm so excited. By the way, these are my first impressions. I just recently started ordering from Beebeecraft, so I am very impressed that those little guys are going to fit in there. And now I'm thinking, I got 200 of these. I probably should have ordered more of these little thingies. But we shall see what I got laying around the house here, because I know I have quite a few. Yeah, look at those. Aren't those cute? Those are cute. I'm very happy with those. So, you know me, always trying to be prepared. I thought, well, what if those don't work? I got a backup. This kit, oh, let's see, where's this one at? This one has 50 sets of oval flower brass bezels and trays. So these are just the clear glass. If you wanted to put your own picture, you could do that. But really, I was like, well, these are supposed to be the same size as these flower ones, so let's see. They came in a 25 bronze and 25 silver. Hopefully they fit. They both said 18 millimeters. So 13 by 18 is supposed to be the size of these guys and the size of these guys. So let's just hope they fit. They do! Oh, good. Camera's not focusing. Too close, it says. Yeah, nice. So what I would do with these is I would take my tool and I would just kind of curve that over, leave one at the top so I can put a jump ring on it and have myself a cute little flower. Cute little flower pendant. Same thing there, silver and bronze. So that's really nice. I got that kit, this kit with the 50 bezels, and they came with their own glass, for $8.49. So that's really awesome because then that gives me some options with my little flower pendants here. So I really appreciate that. I really like this. I think it's going to be fun. So I have the flower pendants. I also have the amethyst stones if I'd like. Kind of just depends on how I'm feeling that day, I guess. I have one other item to show you. And then we will close out the video for this 5 items from Beebeecraft. Yeah, because that's a lot of flowers. I can make 200 flower pendants. That's pretty cool. They had other ones on there too, in different themes. I think some were trees and some were peacocks. But you just have to be careful that you're ordering the correct size. If you're ordering separately, the bezel and the cabochon. I had never ordered these before, so I was just going off of the 13 by 18 like they said. And it did say that on all of these items, so I was grateful for that. And they do all line up and work. So I will link these in the description of this video. But if you are going to try some other sizes, it's always kind of iffy. Not just, you know, I mean, just in general with different stones and things. So that was nice. The other thing that I have is this guy. This is a little kit. This is 80 pieces of Tibetan style European large hole spacer beads. And I had said that I was going to start making some European bracelets. And so I thought, wouldn't it be nice to have these metal spacer beads? I love metal spacer beads. And when I very first got these and I looked in, I was like, oh, I hope they feel nice. And they do. They feel substantial. They feel heavier, like they are of quality. And so I was really appreciative of that. These were, for this little kit in the box, was $12.29, and there is 80 pieces in here. So that is a lot. I like that you get the different designs so they don't all have to be the same. And, you know, if you're using one or two on one of those European interchangeable bracelets on the chain, these are going to last a long time. Definitely worth, in my opinion, worth the $12.29 for sure. I think I will reorder some of these because I do have a plan to make quite a few bracelets. I will say that these ones are not as they don't have like the black, you know, inside, but that's okay because sometimes you don't always want that. Let me move this out of the way so my camera can focus. You know, just a little more toned down, and so I'm fine with that. And the holes look like they're going to work out. They're going to fit on all my interchangeable bracelets. So I was really pleased with these, and I like all the different designs. So that is those. So what we have today, I also like that they come in these little boxes because then you don't have to sort anything out. I have the European beads, the Tibetan silver bezels, the 200 pieces of the flower cabochons, the Amethyst cabochons, and these are all in 13 by 18 centimeters. And then this pack that comes with the glass, but really I'm just going to use those backs. I guess if I wanted to make my own, I could, but I really want to use these flowers, so it's more of like a project haul today with the cabochons. So that's what I got going on today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see more of these videos, please put a comment down below. If you have questions, comments, or concerns regarding these cabs or anything like that, please message me or leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video, give it a share, subscribe to my video, and you can do that by hitting the logo, which I will leave up on the screen. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.